Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of hurricanes. These massive storms are among the most destructive forces of nature, causing widespread damage and devastation to coastal communities. But how are they formed, and what makes them so powerful? Let's find out. To understand how hurricanes are formed, we need to start with the basics of weather and climate. Hurricanes, also known as typhoons or cyclones, are essentially massive thunderstorms that form over warm ocean waters. They are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges that can cause significant damage to coastal areas. So, what are the conditions that are necessary for a hurricane to form? First and foremost, we need warm ocean water. Hurricanes typically form in the tropics, where the ocean water is warm and moist. The warm water provides the energy that fuels the storm, much like gasoline fuels a car. The heat from the ocean water evaporates and rises, creating an area of low pressure. Next, we need a disturbance to set things in motion. This can come in the form of a tropical wave, a low pressure area, or a thunderstorm. When the disturbance encounters the area of low pressure created by the warm water, it starts to spin, thanks to the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect is a result of the Earth's rotation, which causes moving objects, like air masses, to appear to curve as they move across the surface of the planet. In the northern hemisphere, hurricanes spin counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, they spin clockwise. As the storm continues to spin, it starts to pick up speed and energy from the warm ocean water. This causes the storm to intensify, and it can quickly become a hurricane. Hurricanes are classified based on their wind speeds, with Category 5 hurricanes being the most severe. These storms can produce winds in excess of 150 miles per hour and can cause catastrophic damage to anything in their path. But hurricanes aren't just about wind. They also produce heavy rainfall, which can lead to flooding and landslides. Additionally, hurricanes generate storm surges, which are walls of water that are pushed ashore by the strong winds. Storm surges can be especially dangerous because they can flood low-lying areas and cause significant damage to buildings and infrastructure. So, there you have it. Hurricanes are formed when warm ocean water provides the energy for a disturbance to spin and intensify into a powerful storm. While we can't control the weather, we can prepare for hurricanes by staying informed, creating an emergency plan, and stocking up on supplies. If you live in a hurricane-prone area, it's important to pay attention to weather forecasts and follow the advice of local authorities. The three biggest hurricanes, in terms of the damage they caused, are 1. Hurricane Katrina, 2005. Katrina was a Category 5 hurricane that hit the Gulf Coast of the United States in August 2005. The storm caused widespread flooding and damage to New Orleans, Louisiana, as well as other parts of the Gulf Coast. It is estimated that Katrina caused $125 billion in damage and resulted in the deaths of more than 1,800 people. 2. Hurricane Harvey, 2017. Harvey was a Category 4 hurricane that hit Texas in August 2017. The storm caused catastrophic flooding in the Houston area, with some areas receiving over 50 inches of rain. It is estimated that Harvey caused $125 billion in damage, making it tied with Katrina as the costliest hurricane in U.S. history. 3. Hurricane Maria, 2017. Maria was a Category 5 hurricane that hit Puerto Rico in September 2017. The storm caused widespread devastation, knocking out power to the entire island and causing extensive damage to homes and infrastructure. It is estimated that Maria caused $90 billion in damage and resulted in the deaths of nearly 3,000 people. While there have been many other significant hurricanes throughout history, these three storms stand out for the scale of their destruction and their impact on the communities they affected. With the right preparation, you can keep yourself and your loved ones safe during a hurricane. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.